Hi everyone, we got a new addition. Got a new addition to our wall. So please don't forget to get some more pictures so we can try and fill this wall for you all. Okay. This week's book is Rabbit's Nap. Rabbit's feeling sleepy. She curls up in the chair. Tap tap. Who's that? Oh dear, it's Build-A-Bear. See? Oh, you can see through the window he's at the door. Oh, Rabbit doesn't look very happy, does he? Where can Rabbit have her nap? The window seat looks nice. Bang! Crash! Who's that? Oh no, a band of mice. Where are they? There they are, playing in the cupboard. Rabbit's in her deck chair. A doze would be so good. Whack, crack, who's that? It's Fox, he's chopping wood. See if he's in the shed. There he is, being very noisy. Rabbit still doesn't look very happy, does she? A shady tree, says Rabbit. The kind of spot I like. Oh dear, there's somebody in the tree. Ding-a-ling! Who's that? It's Tortoise on his bike. Oh, he must be behind the gate. There he is. Poor tired Rabbit goes back home. She yawns and rubs her eyes. Rat-a-tat. Oh dear, who's that? Your friends with a surprise. Oh, wonder what it is. Oh, they've all come to say hi. Hush, a bunny. Tra-la-la, we'll sing you off to sleep. Oh. What's that? Shall we have a peep? Oh, Rabbit's gone to sleep. Night night. Next week for a choice. So we've got Topsy and Tim, When I Go to the Nursery, or In My Garden. That'd be quite a good one, wouldn't it? Because you're all doing gardening things at the minute. So if you want to put up on Facebook and let us know which one you'd like, and then we'll be able to read that next week. Okay then, bye.